Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Google Workspace S MIME for secure messaging step by step clearly. To enable S MIME in Google Workspace for secure messaging, first, sign in to your Google Workspace admin console. Navigate to the Security section from the dashboard. Select Setup S MIME under the Email Security options. Ensure that S MIME is enabled for your organization. Next, download the S MIME configuration file. You will need this file to set up S MIME on your users' accounts. Go to the Users section in the Admin console. Select the user for whom you want to enable S MIME. Click on the security settings for that user. Upload the previously downloaded S MIME configuration file. Make sure the user has a valid S MIME certificate. If the user doesn't have a certificate, guide them to obtain one. Once the user has the certificate, instruct them to install it in their email client. After installation, ask the user to access their Gmail account. In Gmail, they should go to the settings by clicking on the gear icon. Select See All Settings from the drop-down menu. Find the Accounts and Import tab. Scroll down to the Secure Email section. Here, users should see the option to enable S MIME. Instruct them to check the box to enable S MIME. Once enabled, users can start sending secure emails to other S MIME users. To verify secure messaging, ask them to send an email to a recipient with S MIME enabled. Confirm that the email shows as secure in their Gmail interface. Repeat these steps for any additional users requiring S MIME. Ensure all users understand how to manage their certificates for continued secure messaging. Regularly review your S MIME settings to maintain a secure emailing environment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.